hopping everywhere, man, hopping everywhere, man. Across the desert's bare, man, I breathe the mountain air, man. Travel, I've had my share, man, hopping everywhere.
Hey, this is Erin and Teddy at Tacoma RV Center. We're down in the pre-owned inventory. We're here in a 2014 Cedar Creek fifth wheel. This fifth wheel definitely has the wow factor you're looking for.
33-foot fifth wheel, full aluminum structures, slam latch doors, under 11,000 pounds. You got Corian counters, huge oven, central vac system. I mean, pretty residential if you ask me.
Yeah, this thing has great arched slide outs. You have the fireplace in here. I mean, what else do you need in a fifth wheel? Come down to Tacoma RV Center and check us out. We have a great pre-owned selection.
Everywhere. I've been to Reno, Chicago, Fargo, Minnesota, Buffalo, Toronto, Winslow, Saco, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Madison, Malapa, Alabama, Laca, Baraboo, Waterloo, Kamakata City, Shota, City, Dodge City, what a pity. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere.